So the Insta360 Luna just showed up in a store in China and everyone's calling it a leak. But I'm not convinced. Let me explain why this might be exactly what Insta360 wants us to see. New images surfaced showing the Insta360 Luna in white inside a Shenzhen store. The person holding it has professional styling, perfect lighting, and even a wireless mic accessory positioned just right. Real leaks are messy, blurry photos taken quickly before someone gets caught. This looks like a controlled marketing preview disguised as a leak. The images were shared by Igor Bogdanov on March 16, 2026, one of the most trusted sources for camera leaks. When trusted leakers share polished images, that's usually a sign the company is involved. The device is already sitting in Insta360's flagship store in Shenzhen. This isn't a prototype in a factory. It's finished retail product with packaging ready to sell. That only happens when launch is weeks away, not months. Chinese stores getting stock first tells us the announcement will happen in mainland China before expanding globally to markets like the United States. This is standard practice for Chinese tech companies. The white color option is real, which breaks away from the endless stream of black pocket cameras. For influencers and content creators, aesthetics matter. The dual lens setup is the standout feature, one wide-angle lens paired with a 70mm telephoto giving 3 times optical zoom. Most pocket gimbals fake zoom with digital cropping, which destroys image quality. True optical zoom maintains quality and creates natural background blur. If this delivers, it's a genuine technical advantage. The rotating touchscreen lets you flip the display for selfie mode. There's a dedicated record button and the form factor looks genuinely compact. Insta360's CEO Liu Jingkang mentioned a modular twist system where the camera detaches from the gimbal for standalone use. But earlier prototypes looked completely different from these store images. Either the design changed significantly or the modular feature got simplified or removed entirely. I'm waiting to see the final shipping version before believing this feature made it to production. Modular sounds innovative, but it often adds bulk and compromises durability. Launch is expected between March and April 2026. This positions Luna to launch right alongside or just before DJI's Pocket 4 announcement. Instead of waiting for DJI to dominate the news cycle and then scrambling to respond, Insta360 is building awareness now. When DJI announces, the conversation won't just be about Pocket 4. It'll be Pocket 4 versus Luna. That's smart competitive positioning. The CEO even publicly corrected rumors earlier this year when people thought leaked dual camera images were from DJI. He wanted everyone to know this was Insta360's product. That level of personal involvement from leadership shows how important Luna is to their strategy. Dual lens optical zoom could genuinely differentiate this in a market full of similar pocket gimbals. But hardware is only half the battle. Image processing, stabilization algorithms, app ecosystem, and build quality all matter just as much. Insta360 has proven they can innovate with their 360 cameras, but competing directly with DJI's refined pocket gimbal ecosystem is different territory. This feels less like a leak and more like Insta360 controlling the narrative before their official announcement. Whether they can actually deliver professional-grade optical zoom in a compact form factor will determine if Luna becomes a genuine DJI alternative or just another option in an already crowded market.